GDS diving service here. I am at the vessel Quetzal. It had just got new bottom paint. He says it's hard paint. I have a very soft pad here, and I have a more abrasive pad. I don't know that she's going to need to be cleaned, but if she's dirty, I'm going to clean her up. Just want to take a quick look at her before I get started. Okay, what I was doing there was knocking the ash off of the zinc. If you notice that one zinc, I hit on it a little bit and it completely came apart. If you don't knock the ash off of the zinc can't be exposed and do its job and corrode properly. So you have one really good, great zinc on there. Even though I beat it and the ash came off, there's still plenty of meat. And the other zinc has still some meat. The other zinc came off completely. It came apart. So I am going to go ahead and clean her. I'll get you an after video. Thank you for choosing GDS Diving Service.